You still use your car's laggy old infotainment system? With this modern car screen, you can use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just plug in the screen and use one of the provided attachment holders. Then connect your phone to it with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. For the sound to come through your car's sound system, use the FM feature and match the screen's frequency to that of the car radio. Now, enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto every time you start your car. Try it yourself, while the huge deal is still going with the link in my bio.